Hello, in this video, we'll review the features implemented in the sample map as part of the SDAPI plugin tutorial. We'll provide the tutorial on the SDAPI plugin features that you can use in the editor and within the Unreal Engine gameplay while reviewing the functionality present in the sample map. We assume that you have already briefly reviewed the previous video, which explained the SDAPI plugin in the editor. With that in mind, let's get started. The first feature we want to showcase is material creation for actors placed in the world and for placed assets within the editor. Let's begin by looking at assets placed in the world. Right-clicking on this cube actor in the world and press Scripted Actor Action button. This will open the Set AI Material by Text modal. As those who have watched the previous tutorial may understand, this model contains the data required for text-to-image generation found in the Stable Diffusion widget tool. However, because it's modal, you cannot check whether it's currently connected to the SD server or what checkpoint it's using from within the model. To verify the connection status and selected model, please check the API connected message and model check selection within this widget. Typically, the last used checkpoint is retained for your reference. Returning to the model, enter wood texture tile into the prompt box and press OK to generate an image. The generated image will become the material applied in real time to the actor in the world. The material is stored in Content, Stable Diffusion, Service System Material folder because we've set the default saving path to this folder in BP Actor Action utility. If you want to change the location, you can create a separate folder for storing materials by changing the default saving path. Now that we've created an image from text, let me demonstrate the image-to-image feature also exists. Select Set AI Material by Image in the Script Actor action. In this model, the material of the selected actor mesh is extracted and used as basis for the drawing image. A higher denoising value makes the AI rely less on the original texture and produce a more independent image. Let's set it around 0.93. Next, enter the same prompt as before, wooden tile, and change a couple of parameters. Then press OK. You will see that a new image has been created based on the original image. This enhancement took the original green and black texture and refined it to make it look like tiles. This material is stored in the same folder you set the output image path in the widget. While the image-to-image feature is convenient for quickly obtaining desired concepts, working with skeleton meshes or complex static meshes may require a more precise work than extracting materials. For this precise work, we have implemented the ControlNet feature in the model. Select Set AI by Text in the Script Actor action and set the top menu to Kenny. We chose Kenny because, as you can see in the material, the outlines are relatively clean. When outlines are well defined, the Kenny pre-processing extracts the outline data, creates an image based on it. This allows us to create characters or text that conform to the outlines. By using Kenny pre-processing to extract outlines and then creating an image based on it, you can achieve a look that fits the outline accurately. Now let's adjust the cyberpunky character to have wood skin. Enter wood and armor in the prompt. And when you execute it, you'll notice that a wood material has been created without affecting the existing material or lines. It looks like a finely crafted skin. If you examine the resulting image, you'll notice that only a part of it has changed. This happens because the skeleton meshes has two materials, as indicated by material index. The material index allows you to specify which material to create, and model is designed to work on one image at a time, as our Stable Diffusion API server typically operates by sending one image and receiving one in return. Let us set the option just like before, but this time let's set the material index to 1. By doing so, you can create a clean appearance that matches the original without altering it. With this method, you can achieve creative variations while following the existing pattern. Keep in mind that you can generate a wide range of stylish materials using this approach. Here are some of the materials that I've created before. For example, this one is green armor, and this one is blue-headed leggings. Just like this, you may try different permutations of materials. With our plugin, you can grant varieties into complex meshes using AI enhancements. Now that you've learned how to use SDAPI plugin to replace materials for various assets with new images generated by AI.